It's time again for another stitch fix. I did keep everything from the last fix, and then when I checked out, it did ask if I wanted to get another fix, like a quick turnaround, to waive the styling fee. So I did, so here it is. And I did notice that I had a preview, and it was not Tammy who did the preview, but I didn't like anything from the preview, so I declined everything. And then it asked if I wanted a second preview, so I did that, and it was a different person than the first person that did the preview, and it still wasn't Tammy. And then when I looked and saw that my fix had been shipped, it still wasn't Tammy. So I did ask for the same stylist last time, so I'm not sure why they didn't give me the same stylist. So let's go ahead and look at what is inside this box. So very quickly, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service. You do pay a $20 styling fee, but if you do purchase anything from the box, you do get that $20 credit toward anything that you purchase. Looks like Kirsten is my stylist for this one, and I only got 5 things. It's a pretty pricey box for 5 things. So you do get your pre-printed package to send anything back, and let's take out the bundle. So really pretty colors. So this fix, I actually started the fix with one of my saved items, and I'll tell you which one that one is. And I requested to get some kind of outfit around the item that started this fix. The first thing is this white top. It's from Rainn. The sunny short-sleeved blouse, white size medium. And I did have this on my saved, so we'll see what this looks like. I was looking for a really cute white top that's not very casual. And then these are from Kut From The Kloth, Meg high-rise wide straight legs, front pleats, blue size 8. So looks more like a wide leg than a straight leg. So we'll see if those are cropped, but the color's really pretty. And this kind of feels like it's a linen material. So yeah, it's 30% linen and 25% cotton. So those are nice. And then this is from Montgomery Post. This is the Killian blouse, dark pink size medium. At least it's not a mixed material blouse. And this actually, I think I had saved. This was something from one of my vision boards, and this was styled with a denim jacket and then some white drawstring pants. They look like they could be linen. And so I have white pants that I thought would look good with this and a denim jacket. So I kind of like the pop of color they had. So I had this in my saved, hoping that they would send it. And I had also requested in my note to possibly get that because I wanted to create that look. And then this is what prompted this fix. So I started the fix with this one. It's from Liverpool, the relaxed side tie jacket in dark pink, size medium. So I had another one of the AI vision board items, and it had this, but it was short sleeve. So when I looked at the items below it and clicked on it, this is what came up, but this is long sleeve, and that was short sleeve, but it looked just like it. I was excited about that. And then the last thing is from Market and Spruce, the Niva high-rise wide leg jean, red, size 8. So I don't really like a red pant. It's so bright, and I don't know how much I would wear it, but we'll see how they fit. So let me go ahead and try everything on now. So I'm a little confused by this, but this is how she said to style it. So this pink jacket is what prompted this fix. I had this white top as a saved. So in her note, she said to pair this pink jacket, it's a dark pink jacket, with this white top and the red bottoms. This is a color combo I wouldn't put, and sometimes I go a little bold with my color combos, but this is not one I would put together. I would actually prefer this probably with either denim or a white bottom, but this is how she said to wear it. This jacket fits a little big, so even if I button these, which let me go ahead and do that, I think it's just not very flattering on me. The sleeves obviously are too long. They always are. I always have to roll those up. But there's no side pockets. It has these side slits on the side, and then it has a ruching here, but no way to draw it up or anything like that. Oh, actually, there's pockets right here. So that's kind of neat, but I think it's too big. It's in a size medium, which mediums usually fit me in Liverpool, but I just think it's a little bit too big, and I don't think it's very flattering on me. And then this top is, I think, the Rainn top, which I had saved. Let me go ahead and take the jacket off. So I like this combo together with the red and the white, but this is a little bit tight. So it has a lining underneath it, but the lining does not give it all. And these sleeves have the elastic on the bottom and they don't give very much. So they're kind of tight, but it's very tight in the shoulders. And I think it has partially to do with the lining. The lining feels like it wants to twist with me. The pants I think fit pretty comfortably. I think these are marketed in Spruce. They were a hook and button closure. These are the length of all of them I seem to get from Stitch Fix, where they're just a little bit too short to be a pant, but too long to be a crop. So I don't know, but I don't know how often I'm gonna wear red. These fit comfortably and they feel good. They're like a denim material. So the jacket was from Liverpool and it was $129. This top is from Rainn. It's $65. And then the bottoms are marketed in Spruce and they are $78. So I just decided to put the last two items together as an outfit because I kind of like these two together. So I think I do like this top. It's a pretty color. And then these, I feel like they're very similar to some that I got from the Freestyle a couple of weeks ago. They were in this really pretty turquoise color. These are from Kut From The Kloth and they have a linen blend. And I like this color. I think it's a really pretty color and I like the length. They're a little bit long. They're hitting at the ground, but I do kind of like this look. I don't think they're too tight here in the thigh, like sometimes they can be, but there's no room in the waist, that's for sure. But I do like this color combo a little bit. This top is from Montgomery Post. It is $39, and then the bottoms are from Kut From The Kloth, and they are $109. So let me just break down this fix. It's $420 total for all 5 items, which is pretty pricey, but you've got a Liverpool item and a Kut From The Kloth, so that's to be expected. If you buy 5 and get the 25% discount, that takes $105 off, leaving the total $315. So if I purchased all 5 items, it would be $315. I know that I don't want the pink jacket. It just didn't look very good on me. And the white top, it was a little bit twisty with the lining, so it just didn't feel very comfortable. And then the banding on the bottom of the sleeves wasn't comfortable on my arms. And then the red pants, they were comfortable. They fit good, but I'm not sure how often I'm going to wear red pants. So I'll have to think about that because those are $78. So I think they'll be going back to, I do like this top and it's reasonably priced at $39. The pants I like, but I'm just going to have to look back and see how they fit because they are $109. So if I kept anything, it would be this outfit right here. What do you guys think about this fix? And so I do have a new stylist. Her name is Kirsten. And I would just like to know why Tammy is no longer my stylist because she's been doing some good ones. And the last fix, I kept everything. So it's not because I'm not keeping things that she's sending. And do you like that pink and red combo? Let me know. I'm curious. It was just something unexpected for me. And so I just don't really know how that was working. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And I would also love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And until next time, have a wonderful day.